So it's Monday the 8th of January here in Sydney, Australia, and this is the countdown timer to the March equinox, which is in 71 days, 9 hours and 1 minute. Now, if you remember back to my contest, which I posted about 3 weeks ago, the Flat Earth Challenge, if you can complete this challenge, you will win a Mavic Pro drone. So there's 71 days to go until I will open up this contest to entries based on the globe model. So what I've decided to do, because there are just so many comments on the original challenge video, there's over 1,700 comments so far in just 3 weeks, rather than risk losing any of the submissions, I'm creating this video as the place to post your contest entries. Now, I ask that you just refrain from posting general comments, and in fact, if I get any comments from flat earthers, I will just delete them unless they are genuine entries. So I want to keep the comments section in this video purely for valid entries to the contest. And remember, a valid entry must satisfy all the criteria listed in the challenge, and I will link to the original challenge video below in case you haven't seen it. And on the original video, I will link to this site as the correct place to post your entry. So once again, I ask to refrain from posting general questions or comments on this video. And if you have any questions in relation to the challenge, please post them on the original video, not on this video. This is for genuine, valid entries only. So there's still plenty of time to get to work and produce this model that satisfies the contest criteria. And if you do succeed in achieving that, you will win yourself the Mavic Pro drone. So let's see how many entries we get from the Flat Earth community. So remember with this challenge that I'm not asking you to demonstrate anything that I cannot demonstrate myself with a real globe model and a single light source. We can easily demonstrate with a physical model of the globe the equinox sun angles and the fact that we can track the sun using a single axis of rotation on an equatorial mount from any location on the Earth. So what I'm asking you to demonstrate can be demonstrated on the globe very easily. You need to show us how it works on the flat Earth.